Hello guys, Rob here. Welcome back into the channel. Tomorrow is the day we learn more about Facebook Coin with a release of their white paper. So according to an executive, a white paper for the token would be published on June 18th, tomorrow. So not much longer till we can get past the speculation and really dive into the white paper and see what this coin is going to be. And all accounts as of now are a stable coin that will not be tied to any single fiat currency, but instead linked to a basket of currencies in order to prevent volatility. So everything I've seen, everything I've read has pointed to a stable coin being backed by multiple currencies. But the question is, will they build their own blockchain protocol, or will they build off of an already existing blockchain protocol? Now, from everything I've heard, this will be some sort of delegated proof of stake where Facebook will be delegating who produces the blocks and who runs the chain. According to this article, charging third parties as much as $10 million for the privilege of supporting the network as nodes. So based on all the current protocols out there, this sounds like some sort of delegated proof of stake system. Now, will they create their own, or will they build off of an already existing protocol? The one thing they're going to need is a high transactions per second, being able to scale to large numbers of transactions with the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of users that Facebook has. So if we look at Blocktivity, and this shows activity on chain, through the top 10, there's a clear winner in terms of protocol, and that being delegated proof of stake, with no less than 50% of the top 10 being delegated proof of stake chains, and EOSio dominating the delegated proof of stake chains in the top 10. If Facebook were to choose an already existing blockchain protocol, it's pretty clear that EOSio stands above the rest. I mean, you just look at EOS, which is built on EOSio. The activity numbers out of it is far and above all the other chains all the way down the list. With a record of 87 million operations in a 24-hour period, you know, you add up all the records for all the rest of the top 10, and you're not even halfway there to that record. And that's including other EOSio chains as well. With the second place record here, 12.15 million operations being another EOSio chain, TLOS. If Facebook does choose EOSio, with the implementation of IBC, any of these EOS chains will easily be able to interact with Facebook Coin and the chain. And no matter what direction Facebook chooses, I think this is positive for crypto, as it'll open up more people's eyes to the entire crypto space. And I don't think there will be much financial speculation on Facebook Coin itself, because it is a stable coin. But those people that do move some capital into Facebook Coin will probably become more interested in the crypto space, and I expect to see Facebook Coin pairs out there for every coin. It'll just be another on-ramp for new money to get into other coins. So I don't dive into the speculation much very often, and personally I think Facebook Coin will be built on its own protocol, but if they are to build on an already existing protocol, it's hard to find a reason why they would not use EOSio. So I'm interested to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. We only have 24 hours, less than 24 hours now, to speculate until we get the release of the white paper. So I will be diving into the Facebook Coin white paper tomorrow, I'm sure, with the entire rest of the crypto community, and I will give my thoughts in an update video. So stay tuned for that. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.